Hi, welcome to Sarah's Kitchen. Today my easy, delicious and healthy recipe is Moong dal Laddu. For this the ingredients are 1 cup of moong dal, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1½ teaspoon of cashew nut finely chopped, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1/4 cup of ghee. Today I am taking organic moong dal. It's already pre-washed. Washing is totally optional. If you want to wash it and dry it naturally or in sunlight. Take a heavy bottom frying pan or kadai. It is very important. Roast the moong dal over medium low heat. Continuously stir the moong dal. Otherwise the moong dal will get brown very quickly but not cooked properly. Keep on stirring the moong dal for even cooking. Now you can see the moong dal changes its color and it's also aromatic. Remove the dal from the pan and let it cool for some time. Grind the moong dal and make it as a fine powder. Heat a pan, add 1½ teaspoon of ghee and then add the chopped cashew nuts and fry it into a golden brown color. Now you can see the powdered moong dal. Add cardamom powder, add sugar, add the fried cashew nuts, mix it well. Pour the melted warm ghee over the dal mixture and mix it well. Take 2 tablespoons of the mixture and make them into small balls. If the laddu is not holding shape, add more melted ghee and mix it well. Yummy and healthy laddu is ready. It's a very good snack for kids. Please subscribe my channel and also share it to your friends. Thanks for watching Sarah's Kitchen.